In this video, I will teach you how to manage different versions of Python on your computer. Now, suppose you have already installed Python on your computer, but your version of Python is 3.5, and you install your Python through Anaconda. Now, assume that you want to use Python 2.3 on your computer as well. You don't have to reinstall everything. Anaconda provides very easy way to manage your Python versions under its Anaconda environments. So let's just follow the instructions of Anaconda. Let me open my terminal. This is my terminal. Let's see. If I type which Python now, it says that Python is located under this directory. If I check the version of Python, it says my current version of Python is 3.5.2. Now, if I want to install Python 2.7 on my computer, I can simply create a new environment with Python 2.7. Let's just write conda create -n py27. This is just a name for my environment, and Python version will be equal to 2.7. And this is it. Now this will automatically install these. It automatically installs those packages for me as well. So now I can, if I use source Anaconda, then activate py27. Then this is the Python environment I just installed. If I check the Python location now, it says my Python is located under this directory. So this is different from the address I've just shown you before, which is under Anaconda bin Python. And now we are under environment Python 27 bin Python. So if we check the version of Python now, it is Python 2.3. Then let's go to Python. You can use some syntax that is only available in Python 2.3. See that you can print anything like in this method. Now let's deactivate our environment. Now we are out to the root, the default Python version. If we see which Python, now we go back to the Anaconda default version of Python, and then if we enter Python, this is now Python 3.5. Then we cannot use this syntax sugar. It will give us an error because this is not available in Python 3.5 anymore. Now another feature I want to show you. Let's activate Python 2.7 again. If you have installed Python 2.7, you may want to use Python 2.7 in Jupyter Notebook as well. Let's open Jupyter Notebook. And let's create you will see there are many different versions of Python kernels available. If you choose the default version of Python, then it says the kernel version is still Python 3. Let's see if you print in this way, it gives you an error because the default kernel is still Python 2.7. It's still Python 3.5. This is not very convenient. So what we will have to do is that we will install Jupyter under this environment. Let's write pip install Jupyter. Then Jupyter is installed in the current environment, which is Python 2.7, and it will use use the kernel 2.7 under this environment. So this way you can use Jupyter with Python 2.7 under this environment. It's going to take a while to install. So now let's write Jupyter notebook. Now this time you see we will still choose the default version of Jupyter. This time, let's see if this syntax still doesn't work. Oh, we should choose Python 2.7 as this is available this time. Then under this version of Python kernel, we can use the syntax that is only available in 2.7. Okay, this is the video of showing how you can run different versions of Python in the same computer using Anaconda environments, and how to use different versions of Python with Jupyter.